This is your host Preeti Katpal, and it's my honor and privilege to be here amongst all you hardworking and overachievers. Before we begin this fabulous day, let's give ourselves a big round of applause. So, friends, it's going to be a phenomenal day of learning, sharing, and creating the new. It's a day to collaborate, it's a day to innovate. But before that, let's begin on an auspicious note by lighting the lamp and enlightening our minds. To do the honors, may I please welcome on stage the Executive Officer, Parts, Accessories and Logistics, Mr. S.D. Chhabra. Let's give him a big round of applause. Executive Officer, Parts, Accessories and Logistics, Mr. K. Nasu. Deepa Jyoti Parabrahma, Deepa Jyoti Janardana, Deepo Mihara Tu Papam, Sandhya Deepa Namostate. Thank you so much. Let's give them all a big round of applause. Well, after this truly inspiring masterpiece, I'd also like to tell you, friends, that the ISRO continues to push the boundaries of space exploration and aims to achieve 10% global space economy. And aligning the same, Maruti Suzuki is the forefront of innovation driven by technology and experience. Let's charge ahead with scale, skill, and speed. Well, friends, let's take this day ahead. And now it's time to give a warm welcome to a leader who's passionate about meeting the needs of the customer. Stated and even the unstated in the process, driving up our sales. He's always committed to exceed targets. His love for sales is infectious, always giving new ideas and motivating everyone around him. He strongly believes that there is always an opportunity to sell more and make the customer happier. It's our responsibility to tap on such opportunities, realize our full potential, and boost our business. Please put your hands together and welcome our loved and respected Executive Officer, Parts, Accessories and Logistics, Mr. S.D. Chhabra. And now, friends, it's time to welcome our next speaker for the day. Discipline and punctuality is what defines him. Always striving for perfection with focus on the basics, principles and values. His unwavering focus on customer centricity and dedication to quality and safety have not only set new standards for excellence but have also fostered a collaborative and thriving environment for everyone involved. Let's give a big round of applause as I invite K. Nasu-san. Thank you so much, sir. I must say, आपकी ये presentation इतनी power packed थी, especially the video. How many people are motivated after seeing this video? I think it was incredible. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to inaugurate the exhibition area. As you have already witnessed, in the exhibition center, Maruti Suzuki is committed to adopt innovative solutions to enhance customer convenience. In line with this, MSIL has partnered with ONDC to initiate pilot project for home delivery of parts to end customer. Now, to unlock the digital potential, may I please invite on stage Chhabra-san and Nasu-san. Let's give them a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are about to witness a new beginning. Can we put our hands together? 3, 2, 1. Let's press the buzzer.
Introducing Sanchar, an integrated communication platform.
Thank you so much. What an exciting moment this is, ladies and gentlemen. An integrated communication platform. From training module to best practices, I'm sure our dealer manpower will be able to learn, connect, and communicate like never before. How thrilled are we? Are we excited? How's the Josh? Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the next segment of our conference, we have with us someone who is a true pioneer in the world of entertainment. A versatile host, actor, and the mastermind behind countless successful events. With his magnetic personality and unmatched stage presence, he has captivated audiences across India and beyond. Working as a creative force, he continues to inspire and entertain with unmatched energy. Let's give a thunderous round of applause and welcome Mr. Roshan Abbas. Come on everybody, let's hear it. A very warm welcome. It's so great to have you here.
Thank you so much, thank you. If you work hard enough, the dream you dream can come true. There must be a dream. कोई सपना है जो आपने देखा है, कोई सपना है जो आपने अपने बच्चों के लिए देखा है, परिवार के लिए देखा है. वो सपना आपके करने से ही साकार हो सकता है.
Well, Roshan sir, I must say, हम तो अब्बस नहीं बोल सकते, हम बोलेंगे दिल मांगे मोर, है कि नहीं दोस्तों?